Okay, now let's look at the problem number 19. So obtain expressions in component form for the position vectors having the polar coordinates 12.8 meters and 150 degrees. Okay, let's solve this problem. So basically, let's again draw a coordinate system. This is y, this is x. Okay, so now our vector having the magnitude which is 12.8 and the angle is 150 degrees. So 150 degrees this is 90 and 150 has to be somewhere here, okay? Something like that. Then let's call this as r vector. Now obviously r vector has a magnitude which is equal to 12.8 meters. So r is equal 12.8 meters, okay, r vector. Then the angle between them is 150 degrees. So the angle will be starting from the positive up to here, which is 150 degrees. Now let's write down the expression for the r vector. Basically our r vector will be equal to rx I vector plus ry j vector. So therefore, if first of all we have to find the rx and ry components, and then we can show the components, okay? So rx component will be equal to let's draw it. Rx component will be equal to r multiplied to cosine theta, and ry component is r multiplied to the sine theta. Let's plug the numbers. So r in our case is equal to 12.8 multiplied cos 150 degree, okay? If you do calculation, you should find that your rx component will be equal to minus 11. Okay, then let's find the ry component. 12.8 multiplied sine 150 degrees. If you do calculation, you should find that your ry component is equal 6.4. Okay, now let's write down in terms of r vector everything. So then we can get that our r vector will be equal, rx is equal minus 11 I vector, then plus ry is equal 6.4 j vector. Obviously the unit will be meter. Now that means our I vector, our x vector is equal minus 11. Then our ry vector will be equal to 6.4. Now that's how you write down the expression.